See me now?
Yes, now it's
Good,
good.
good. I'm so sorry. I don't know.
No
Sometimes the
problem.
system does that. Good. So let me just send you the link and then we go right into
Okay.
curriculum. Go all the way to the top of the curriculum and then you scroll all the way down till you see beginners. And lesson 16 is childhood.
Curriculum.
Yes, go all the way to the top and click on the actual word curriculum.
And then lesson 16 is looks.
Go all the way down to lesson 16 under beginners, and that should be
Okay. Childhood.
child. Yes. Now, once we
Yes.
finish this lesson, things are going to start to change. That's why I put you like close to the middle, and the structure will
Okay.
look a little different because I didn't want to start you at the very beginning. I feel that you were moving more into intermediate. So we're right
Okay.
now we're getting ready to start. Okay, then the same
So,
format. Dorothy and Kevin
okay.
are talking about their childhood. Okay, are you there? I'm waiting
Okay.
for you.
Yes, yes. I am there.
Okay, then. Okay, so I'm going to start. Kevin, do you have memories of your childhood?
I have lots of memories, especially about my siblings.
Do you remember your neighborhood?
Yes, I do. I had many friends, but I remember my best friend the most.
Did you ever get away with something?
I got away with a lot, but nothing serious. Did you have a nickname?
Yes, I did. Everyone called me Dora. What about you?
I was called Kev. Did you have a chore to do every day?
I had a few chores like sweeping the floor and washing dishes.
I didn't have to do any chores. One thing I will always remember is the playground in my hometown.
Good. Okay, now we'll switch and you're Dorothy and I'm Kevin.
Okay, so Kevin, do you have memories of your childhood?
I have a lot of memories, especially about my siblings.
Do you remember your neighborhood?
Yes, I do. I have many friends, but I remember my best friend the most.
Did you ever get away with something?
I got away with a lot, but nothing serious. Did you have a nickname?
Yes, I did. Everyone called me Dora. What about you?
I was called Kev. Did you have chores to do every day?
I had a few chores like sweeping the floor and washing dishes.
I don't have I didn't have to do any chores. One thing I will always remember is the playground in my hometown. Good. Now this is practicing on how you actually follow with these questions here, like how will you answer it. What did you like to do when you were a child? They
I
give you
was
two
more of
things.
an indoor person. I like to play video games with my siblings and to visit my grandparents.
Okay. Now are you using that answer or you that's your answer?
Second one,
Okay, the second one. Tell me about your hometown.
I have to read both of them and
It's
then
up
I have to select one.
it's up to you. Remember, this is
Okay,
helping you practice. If you just wanted to read one or you don't want to read any and just make up your own answer, it's up to you. We're just practicing. So it's up to you which one you would like to do.
okay. I grew up in a small town that was quiet and peaceful. Everybody knew each other, so it was hard to get away with something.
Me too. That's exactly how that's how I grew up. Everybody knew everybody. You couldn't do anything. What did you like about school?
I loved playing outside, especially soccer.
Okay. What did you like to eat as a child?
I liked to eat pizza, potato chips, and other snack type food. I didn't like vegetables.
Okay. Who took care of you when you were little?
I have a lot of older siblings, so they took care of me.
Good. Good job. Now we're going to go all the way down. Let's see if that lesson 16 will show. No. So we don't have to do. Now these are thoughts. Let's go all the way back till we get to curriculum and go right back into
Okay,
curriculum again. And then I want you to go down until you see lesson 16. Now this is going to be now, lesson 17. It's going to be highlighted in blue now. This means the format will be changing up. Now this is about jobs.
okay,
Okay. Now this is Dorothy and Kevin are talking about their job. Okay. So Kevin, do you work
okay.
a lot of overtime?
Yes, I do. However, my salary doesn't include overtime.
Have you ever been unemployed?
Yes, one time I was laid off from my job.
Have you ever been fired from a job?
I have never been fired, but I resigned from a job to take another one.
Do you prefer a desk job or one where you are active?
Since I'm a white collar worker, I usually have desk jobs, but I don't like sitting a lot.
Have you ever been a blue collar worker?
Before my current job, I was a warehouse worker. I earned an hourly wage. We were always busy, but I didn't like it.
Okay. So